Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Maritza. I do vlogs, lifestyle videos, also videos about fashion and home decor. So if that's something that you're interested in watching, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Alright guys, so for today's video, I'm actually going to be sharing a unboxing with you guys and just kind of reviewing this item that actually was sent to me. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is the box that they actually sent me the item in, and it is from Amazon. So this is something that you are able to go ahead and just purchase from Amazon. I will go ahead and have the link for this item down in the description box below. So if you guys are interested, you can just click on that and then just go and just take a look at it. And if you want to go ahead and purchase it, just buy it from there. So yeah, this item I received in about like 2 business days. So it was super fast shipping. Of course, I do have Prime, so that is awesome. If you guys don't have Prime, I would definitely recommend it for you guys. And for Prime, I also have a 30-day free trial for you guys. So if you guys would like to go ahead and give it a try, just click on the link down in the description box below. It will take you directly there, and make sure you go ahead and take advantage of this Prime because it is awesome. You get super fast shipping and everything. Pretty sure all of you guys or most of you guys already use Amazon. So if you guys are not using Prime, make sure you go ahead and do. But yeah, this is the box that the item actually came in. So I haven't unboxed it. I wanted to go ahead and wait and do this video for you guys and just share my thoughts and opinions and see how I actually personally like it. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get this box opened and see what is inside. I'm actually pretty excited to see this item. So hopefully I actually do like it, and this is something that maybe you guys would enjoy. So let's take a look. So right after opening the box, this is how the item comes in. So they do add the protection plastic in there. So I'm just going to put that down. Alright guys, so this is the item that they actually sent to me. It is a LED table lamp, and this is just how it looks, and the box and everything. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this opened. And when opening this, this is what it looks like inside here. So let me take it out, guys. Oh. So it does come with the USB port, it looks like. And then it also comes with, I'm just gonna toss the box. So it does also come with a user manual for you. So if you guys do end up actually purchasing this table lamp, it actually comes with the user manual. So it will come with the user manual. It comes, of course, with the table lamp itself. And then it also comes with the USB port and connection to the light. So it comes with these 3 things. And I'm super excited to go ahead and open this and start actually using it and testing it, guys. So let me go ahead and take it out from here. So this is actually the table lamp itself, and it's just so nice, guys. I just really love how it's black and white. And so the unique thing about this table lamp, guys, is that it is a speaker as well. So this part all around here, if you can see, is actually the speaker. So you can definitely hook up your phone or whatever you want to hook up and play music or whatever you want to play. But yeah, that's so neat. I think this is such a great thing to have and to maybe travel with if you actually need one for traveling. But I'm super excited to go ahead and start using it. So I'm not sure if I actually have to charge it or just connect it and then it will work, or what. But let me go ahead and just read this real quick. Bluetooth mode. So it just tells me how to actually activate it and use it and stuff like that. So let me try turning it on. Ooh. Oh, it actually turned on, guys. That is so cool. Okay. So you can, oh my gosh, you can actually take calls from here. That's so awesome. Yeah, you can actually hook up, you know, if you have your phone hooked up as Bluetooth, you can probably use this as a speaker from your phone to actually make calls and stuff. Wow, that's so cool. I actually did not know that, but that is so neat. And another cool feature about this opening right here, so you can actually put pens in there. You can actually put makeup brushes if you wanted to, and just use it for, you know, for that. But I just love the look. I just actually turned it off because I don't like, I haven't connected anything to it. So, and then right here in the back, it looks like it has the USB port and another port here. So yeah, and then this is the brand, so Corung. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. I apologize if I'm not, but yeah, let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and read the instructions to see how this actually works, to see if I can actually get it working. All right guys, so let me go ahead and try to connect my phone or my like Pandora or something to see if it actually will play. So it has like the power button right here, which you just go ahead and press and hold to turn on. So that means it's actually turned on. So let me actually go on my phone and make sure I have the Bluetooth turned on. Yeah, so I do have it turned on. So I'm just wondering if it will, okay, I think this is the device. So it's, oh, yeah, so I just actually connected the Bluetooth onto it. If you heard that beep, that meant that it is actually now connected. So let me go to Pandora. Now I'm under my Pandora, so I'm just gonna press any station here to see if it will actually, I guess, work, right? So let's see. It does. If you guys can, let me actually turn up the volume. I don't know if that's gonna work, but so, oh, this is actually to skip the song. I don't know what I'm doing. And that is the light, guys, and it's super nice. It's LED and it just looks so nice. I'm super impressed with this little table lamp, guys. Honestly, I'm really in love with it. I love it. I just like how sleek and modern it looks and how you can actually really play music out of it and even answer calls and things like that. So it has the button right here at the end to turn off the light, and actually it has, I think, 2 settings. So it comes with 2 settings for the light. So that's the brightest, and then that's to lower it and to turn it off. But I am so happy and I'm so thankful that I'm actually sending me this to review. I honestly love it. I can actually say that even without really testing it, but just with looking at it and just trying it right now, I'm already like in love with this little thing. And let me go ahead and tell you guys what the price for it is. So right now I'm on my Amazon and I'm looking at it here, and this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So if you are on Amazon, this is actually how it looks. Let me actually put the phone closer to hopefully you guys can actually see that, and it actually focuses on my phone. So the price for this is actually $21.99, and it's 1 day free Prime shipping, and it's honestly really nice. So what it says on here for as far as like for features, it's a 3-in-1 design. It has the LED natural light, two brightness levels, and it's cordless design, eye protection, and the Bluetooth feature, which it has also, which is so nice. Let me actually try calling my husband, guys, with this.
Hello?
Hello? Oh, I'm testing the lamp.
The what?
The lamp that I'm reviewing, because I can actually answer calls and stuff from it, so I wanted to test it out, make sure it works.
Oh, is this going to be on the YouTube video?
Yeah, you're on the video right now, so yeah. All right, honey, thank you for answering. Bye.
Okay.
That's so neat. I honestly really like this. That's so awesome that you actually are able to use this little thing to actually make calls and use a speaker for it to listen to music and stuff like that. And I just want to show you guys like this top part and how I can actually just put my makeup brushes in here. So if I actually wanted to use it in my room here, I would just put my makeup brushes and, you know, listen to music while I'm getting ready and stuff like that. So this is so neat. So I'm just gonna grab my makeup brushes and put some in here just to show you guys how you can, you know, just use it for makeup brushes and anything you actually would like. So this is so neat, guys, and I honestly really like it. Let me just test out the music of it once again. However, I can't really put too much of, you know, different music because I'm gonna get copyrighted. So I'm just gonna go into my iMovie and just play the sound music and stuff like that. So let me see here. It's right here. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, so I'm just playing a song from my iMovie. Alright, so it's playing there. I wonder if I press here, if it will, no, it will turn it off. Yeah, I don't think you can use this as a volume. And so this is the second setting for the light. And then here is to turn it off, so that's off. And if I want to turn it back on, just press this last button right here again. So let me turn it up on my phone here. So that's like the loudest. So I turned up my volume all the way on my phone, and I can just manage the volume through my phone here. And that's so neat, guys. I am honestly so surprised of how, you know, much you can actually do with this little lamp and how actually modern and sleek it looks. So yeah, I honestly really love it. So let me go ahead and turn this off now. So yeah, guys, this is basically how it actually works and how functional this little table lamp is. You can, you know, use it for your nightstand, just have it right beside there, or you can use it in your office or home office or makeup room. You can definitely use this in different areas of your house, or actually downstairs for the kitchen area when I'm, you know, like cleaning and I just want to listen to music a little louder. Then I would definitely use this downstairs. But it is so awesome, and I just honestly really like how, you know, it's the design of it and how it works and everything. I think it's awesome for the price. It's $21.99. So if any of you guys are interested in buying this, I will have the link in the description box below. So make sure you go ahead and check it out. And yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think of this little speaker. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off now. And that means it's off. So I honestly really love it. I actually really love it. I am super surprised of how many things you can actually do with this little lamp, and how you can actually take calls and listen to music, and how portable it is. You can just take it anywhere or use it like around your house and stuff like that. And for the price, it is honestly awesome. I definitely would recommend it for you guys and to try it out and see how you actually like it. So I will have the link for it in the description box below, so make sure you click on that and take advantage of the Prime also, because it is awesome. Amazon is awesome with their Prime, and it's just super fast shipping and you get things so fast and quick. So let me know what you guys actually think of it, and if you guys are interested in maybe getting one. It actually will make a really nice Christmas gift, or actually really make a great gift for any like occasion. Honestly, I think it's awesome and I would definitely recommend it to you all. If you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe.